Guys, we are back again, and okay, from our previous video, I I was showing you guys how we will be expecting the market to bounce on this level here. So as you can see, my markup from my last video is still here. So as you can see, the market, it went exactly how I told you guys it will move. So we had one rejection here, second rejection, third weak rejection, and the market continued going up. Now, around this zone, like I told you from that last video, that we'll be expecting the market to turn over somewhere here and start dropping. So actually, when the market came to this place, United States President announced some tough sanction against two Russian main distributor of crude oil. So that was why you can see that the market was pushing aggressively, even gave us a gap around this place to tell you how the market was very strong in this trade. So that was why the market didn't turn around at this point because of that sanction. You know that when sanction is being placed on oil producing countries, for example, like how United States president placed some tough sanction on Russia, so which means the Russian crude will not actually be coming to the market, or it will be very difficult for Russia to ship their oil to the market, which will make oil to be very scarce. It's just simple supply and demand. So which means we will be having a shortage of oil, and because of that sanction there will be panic. You will see that so many people will be rushing to buy oil, and there will be a lesser quantity of oil in the market, which will actually drive the price of oil up. That was exactly what happened here. So because of that sanction, the price went up. So when there is sanction against country that produces oil, price of, especially country like Russia that produces a large quantity of oil, a large portion of oil to the market, definitely, which means it will reduce the quantity of oil flow to the market, and because of panic buying, it will drive the price of that. Is exactly what happened here. So as you can see here, the price went up aggressively. So from the data available and from my own perspective, we'll still be expecting the price to move maybe a little bit. Today is Friday. This is currently 6 o'clock, approximately 6 o'clock. Just few hours for the market to close for this week, and so by next week on Monday, we'll actually be expecting something like this. The market will drop a little bit and continue going up, continue going up down to somewhere here. So this level here, this level here is where we'll be expecting the price to just give us a little corrective leg and move up and aggressively to this level. Or the market could do something like this. It could just start going up to this level even without giving us a pullback. So these are the two scenarios I'm seeing. The first one, I'll be expecting the market to give me a small corrective leg here, give me an opportunity to enter long. So somewhere here, I'll be entering long here. If the market give me a corrective leg, first I'll have to be sure that this movement down here will be a corrective leg. It's a kind of a pullback, or the market will just bounce at this line here and just continue going up. So if the market refuses to drop here and continue push up, if maybe it decides to just start going up direct, I'll just place my buy stop here. And so when the market breaks up, I'll just be on the buy, ride that buy down to this level. So that is that for oil. So remember, the sanction is still on, and from the look of things, there is no indication that the sanction will actually be removed anytime soon. So that means the price of oil will continue going up going up, going up, going up, maybe till November, even December, till January. Nobody knows, anything can happen. So that is our expectation. That is from the macroeconomic aspect. Also, technicals are also supporting a bullish movement on this line. So as you can see, the market, it went to our level here, our resistance level. It dropped a little bit and broke. Now it's giving us a pullback to take off, picking, try to pick some buyers from this level here. So it will actually come down to pick some buyers, gain some momentum, and shoot up to this level. So that's our trade. So quickly, let me show you what is happening on the US 500. Okay, this is US 500 chart. So from our last video, if you can remember, the market was somewhere here, which I was telling you guys that I'll be expecting an all-time high on this market. So the market went up. Okay, let me mark it for you guys. The market went up, it consolidated a little bit, it broke this level here, it broke this level here, it went up, gave us a corrective leg, gave us an opportunity to enter here, and the market bounced up, breaking the previous all-time high. So currently now we are having an all-time high. So from what is happening here, from my own point of view, from the data available, and from my own technicals, my own macro economics indication, I don't think the market will turn around here. I think the market will still break this particular level, will continue going up by next week. So like I told you from my last video, that the market is going to give us an all-time high before the week runs out. Okay, just like I always say, and it always comes to pass. So we are having our all-time high. So now I'm still telling you that the market is going to break this my red line here by next week. So it could either do something like this, maybe give us a corrective leg to bounce, or look for some buyer on this support line, which was our previous all-time high. So it might give us something like this. It will bounce here, look for some buyer to gain some momentum to shoot up, or it guys. So that's our scenario for next week. So today is Friday. In few hours time the market will close, it will be weekend. Then on Sunday by 11-12 on when the market will open, for us to milk the market. So just like I always say, this is not a financial advice, it's just my opinion about the market. Always trade responsible, use proper risk management, and don't always trade with the money you can't afford to lose. Peace. I see you next week, guys.